Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges on an Epson WorkForce WF-2930. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using only the small control panel found on the front of the printer. Now, unlike some printers on the market, we cannot simply lift the lid of the printer and change the cartridges straight away. As if you do, you'll find the ink cartridges are left on the right hand side there and inaccessible. Instead, we need to give a quick prompt to the printer to get them into the correct position. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already on a screen that says copy, just press this home button here to be taken here. Now, we're going to use the right hand arrow to take us to maintenance. Once we get to maintenance, we press OK. We're going to go through these options until we get to ink cartridge replacement. Press OK to go into that. OK to proceed. And then once you get this screen saying replace cartridges quickly, you just need to press the start button over here. And you hear your printer start to make some noises. And then when you get the replace ink cartridge screen, we're safe to lift the lid of the printer. To do so, we need to go underneath the scanner and we find there's a recess on the left and the right hand side your fingers can go into. We'll lift that up. And this blue stand over here, take the weight of the lid, and you'll see the ink cartridges have now moved over here where we can get to the clips along the top. So, find our ink cartridge and you just press down at the top. It should come free fairly easily like that. Now, there's nothing wrong with the cartridge I have here, so I'm going to pop the same one back in. However, you'll want to take your new ink cartridge, make sure any protective packaging's been removed, like polythene bags, and the pull tabs you can normally find on the top. With that done, we just take our cartridge, pop it back in, so it just slides straight down. The film on the bottom of the cartridge will be pierced automatically by the printer as it goes in, and as long as you get that little satisfying click I had, you'll know the cartridge has been installed fully. Now just repeat that for any of the other colours you need to replace. Then we just lift the lid of the printer slightly to free up that arm on the left. Then it will lower down nicely and we can head back to the screen. And as you can see, it's still sat on that replace ink cartridges screen. So we just press the start button again for the machine to start taking a look at them. It's just making sure it can recognise the cartridges from the chips on them, and when it's happy, it'll start pulling the ink from the cartridges to make sure it's ready to print. If you're using compatible or remanufactured ink cartridges, you may need to indicate to the printer that you're happy to use them, and any potential problems with the ink cartridge you've just installed will be explained to you on the screen, in the rare instance that occurs. And once your printer's done with the initialization, you'll be taken back to this screen so you can carry on printing as normal. Now I hope you found this useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.